you and your team, you're just doing an absolutely great job with everything OnPassive. And of course, we're very, very privileged to be able to participate in OnPassive with you and your team. Just awesome things happening, and as the days and weeks unfold, I know things are just going to get better and better and better. And for myself and my team, I want to end this with, we are absolutely in it to win it with you, Ash, with your team, with OnPassive.
I just want to say thank you, Ash, to you and your team in Bangalore for all your hard work, dedication, sacrifice, and all those sleepless nights. And here at OnPassive Nation, we are committed to OnPassive and we are passionately in it to win it.
I've been online for many years, and I'd like to say that I've never been a part of a more unique and amazing company as I have OnPassive. And I know that that doesn't happen without some talented people. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank those people in India, all the employees of OnPassive in India and in Orlando, Florida, and from the top down, of course, Ash and the Leadership Council and the amazing support staff. Because all of you are helping us make this dream come true of OnPassive.
And I would like to thank Mr. Ash Mafari for this great opportunity to be a part of a revolutionary movement forces you to be successful. That was an opportunity that I've been waiting for years. And Mr. Ash Mafari, I owe it to you. I'm in it to win it. You better believe it.
And the reason I joined as a founder was because it's been almost 5 years in my MLM and I'm feeling stuck, and so is my team, and we're just crazy about OnPassive. We're in it to win it.
We want to help as many people as we can become successful with their online business. We are in it to win it.
I wanted to take this time to thank Ash, you and your team, for doing such a great job at putting together and implementing such a beautiful, wonderful opportunity and platform for us. We cannot wait for the launch. We are anticipating it, and we are among one of your fastest growing team on OnPassive Nation, and we are growing by leaps and bounds. Once again, we want to thank you so much, and we're really looking forward to the launch that will be happening very soon, because we are all in it to win it.
OnPassive is an opportunity of a lifetime, and we are coming to you from Papua New Guinea. OnPassive Nation, we are in it to win it.
The reason why I decided to join OnPassive as a co-founder is that they are doing things differently. Unlike every other online company, which are all the same, they are really, really well thought out and everything like that. In it to win it.
I would like to say thank you for everything that you've ever done. I'm grateful for the company, and everything you're doing is mind-blowing. It's every video I've ever watched since 2018. I've learned a lot, and I'm a reseller now, for real. Anyway, I'm in it to win it.
I joined as a founder in August of 2018. A very kind gentleman called Eric shared the opportunity with me. The main reason I was attracted to this, I'll be honest with you, was I was advised to have a look at a couple of videos by a guy called Ash Mufara. I listened to him, and I must admit, I know I've said this before and it's not a cliche or anything like that, but it felt as though Ash was talking to me, because obviously I'd had 15 years of mainly downs and a few ups within this industry, if that's what you want to call it. I mean, forgive me if you don't like that word, but that's the main reason I got into this, and I've been with it now nearly 18 months, I think, and I'm just as excited about this as I was when I first joined, and I'm so looking forward to things evolving and eventually us going into OnPassive. But I'm ever so thankful for the vision and for the dedication and hard work and perseverance by Ash and his team of people that he's got behind him. And I'll be honest again with you, everybody feels like family to me within this. I always say you've got to climb inside the belly of GoFounders to really appreciate what we've got a hold of. That again, I'm being honest with you. But yeah, that's my story so far. I'm looking to help as many people as I can. That's my ambition, is help as many people as I can get their dreams and goals.
I'm very proud to be a founder. I'm looking forward to the vision, the accomplishment of a multi-billion-dollar unicorn company. And to be involved in that is absolutely an absolute privilege. And I really appreciate all the work that's been done by all the team. We're going for it. We're going for it big in 2020.
I just want to thank you, Ash Mufareh, for your creative dream that you've brought to reality for the rest of us. And of course, your wonderful team who works hard and diligently to help you accomplish it. And I want to thank my team on Passive Nation, especially our leaders, Marty, Dan, and Mike. Guys, you are awesome. I love you. You guys awesomely work hard every day helping everyone on this team. You're terrific. And for a special shout out to Mukesh and Robert, who are my teammates who I talk to every day. Thank you for the support, guys. Love you guys. Love everyone. Thank you for OnPassive. It's brilliant.
Just wanted to say that I'm very happy about being part of OnPassive because of the vision and the marketing platform that Ash has created for everybody to be successful online. I'm in it to win it.
I just want to say to you guys that it's been an amazing journey and filled with a lot of love. We have a lot of great leaders that I've come to know, and we are in for an amazing, life-changing ride. And I hope everybody's buckled up because I believe OnPassive is the vehicle to the future and through the future and beyond. We are all in it to win it together, and I know that we will be successful. And I just wanted to let you guys know from the bottom of my heart, shout out to everybody that's in OnPassive Nation, an amazing group of people. And again, much blessings to everybody for the year 2020. And again, I'm in it to win it.
I just want to say I'm in it to win it with me and my wife, my daughter, and my son. We appreciate the leadership of this team, the OnPassive Nation. We plan on paying it forward and spreading the word and continue to win it together.
I want to thank Ash and his team and all their families from the bottom of my heart for all that you are doing for us. And I am definitely in it to win it, and I can't wait to share with so many more and help so many people. I am in it to win it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm so excited. I can't wait for this life-changing thing to happen for so many people.
I've been part of this fantastic OnPassive GoFounders movement now since back end of September 2018. So a long time ago. I think then there was roughly just over 2,300 people I think involved then. And we were going basically on one video that Ash had done. I was inspired then. A friend of mine called Derek Ventnor introduced me, and to be honest, I got on the very first webinar he did and I was hooked. I've had such a vision for what you are trying to do for all of us, Ash, and I'm just in it to win it. Can't wait for the launch. The amount of things that have happened on this journey so far in the year and a half I've been involved has been amazing. Everything that you said has come to fruition so far, and your vision that you have for all of us has been amazing. Anyway, that's it from me. Let's keep going, let's keep pushing. This is going to be an amazing opportunity for all of us and for the rest of the world as well. Anyway, my name's Red Redfern. Thank you very much, guys, for listening.
I'm excited to be here and being a part of OnPassive. It's just an incredible feet on how this business is growing every day by leaps and bounds, and looking for the launch. This is just exciting at this time. We've got over 64,000 founders, over 10,000 in our group. Mike, Marty, and Dan has done so much work to help expand the group like they have, and I'm so proud to be a part of that. And I appreciate you, Ash, on your determination and all the flack that you've been catching. When this thing does come out, it's going to be great, and I look forward to that. One day I want to meet up with you, Ash, and just take time to go around and visit everybody once we get this thing launched and off and running. So take care. Just wanted to spend a second just to let you know I'm really proud. I'm excited to be a part of OnPassive.
I joined OnPassive to increase my bottom line and create a legacy for my family. Thank you, Mr. Ash Mafara, your staff, and your support team for all that you do to make it possible for an ordinary man like myself to be able to succeed online. OnPassive, I am in it to win it.
I just wanted to say a big thank you to Ash and his team, and for building OnPassive. Really excited about what's happening. It's a great opportunity to everybody. You know, people obviously it's going to change their lives. And I just want to say I'm in it to win it. I'm working with some great people, with Marty, Mike, and Dan. And I just want to say thanks, Ash and the team.
I really want to thank everybody for all the work you do behind the scenes, and let you know that we are in it to win it.